All right, boys and girls, we're back in action with another video. Wow, I look skinny. All right, we're back in action with another video. We don't have any customers. I've been doing stuff all day, to be honest, and got some free time, and I'm going to bid on some cars because I need it bad. Bad. So here we go. We're going to bid on some cars. I see a couple going through, and you're going to watch, and wow, sound assertive. You'll like it. Like, y'all enjoy this video. Wow, what just happened? All right. Here we go. I'm going to shrink my screen a little bit. There we are, right? That's a good size. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Here we go. We got something cooked up. Let's go. Here we are. Back at it. Need some cars. It is, if you guys don't know, at the time of this video, it is stimulus season. They got their checks yesterday, so it's about to be a hot topic. A little 1,400 down. I literally put that on a windshield, 1,400, the exact number, on a windshield for a down payment. Buy here, pay here. Bang, bang, bad credit. Come see me. We're going to bid on some cars. Here we are, 41,000. Can't finance that one. Can't lend out that much money. Ain't that rich. Oh, my God, 38 seconds? Salvage title, never mind. Just kidding. Let's see what we got going on here. 157. This thing looks clean. What's wrong with it? Engine noise. Repair. RPM fluctuation when I had max AC. That's not that bad. I can deal with that. It's the AC compressor about to lock up. Wow. Holy engine knock. I wouldn't give them $5.50. Good Lord. All right, next. Don't let it slow us down. Commercial van. Should we get it? Just kidding. I saw this bad boy, this little gem right here. Please be local. It's not. 424 away. This, you're going to think I'm crazy. Like, why would you even mess with this? New car trade-in, Toyota dealership. Bang, like that. It's wet outside. This thing probably looks bad when it's not raining. That's risky. First sign. See the faded paint? This thing does not look good when it's not wet. It's a good time to list it, though. Good, always good to sell them at auction when it's raining outside. That's a dealer tip of the day. I'm feeling good today, as you probably can tell. Why do we got a red light? It's less than 200K, isn't it? 158. Yeah, what's wrong with this? Why is it red light? Frame and unibody, that's fine. Ooh. Ooh. What we got cooked up. All right, dirty. Dirty inside's good. Clean oil, though. What's going on there? Keeps the oil changed. Don't keep the car clean. It's my kind of person, I guess, is what it is. Oh, my goodness. You got the wires showing? This guy just drove it. I'm not going to go for this one. That one's too much. I thought I saw some more on here. Did I just film for no reason? Let's get something. Let's check something out. Oh, no, I remember. We saw the little Mitsubishi. They might not promote my video because they thought I cussed, but I didn't cuss. YouTube. We got a car outside. But, yeah, let's see what we got going on here, huh? Oh, Ford F-150. That is 116,000 miles. This is gold in this title. Salvage title, never mind. Next. Standard transmission, not a fan. Ford Taurus, that's beat to beat. Ford Escape. These things, I really wouldn't even want to pay more than that. Oh, it is in Missouri. How far? 424 away. It's tax time. Everything's going to be double. Realistically, I could get this for like 1,400 and then that 424. Tax time, not the case. It's black and it's raining. That is a risk. Ooh, it is leather though. That thing looks good inside. They even took that up. 162. These aren't the best vehicles though, let me tell you. Cylinder 4 misfire, huh? Huh? All right, let's see what we got going. Sorry, guys. guy, like, what, do he have his foot on the gas when he started it? Warning signs, check engine codes. Da, da, da. I mean, let me look at this. It's going to go higher, but it is what it is. All right, 130. That is a great car. I wouldn't want to pay more than like 34. No, I'd pay more. It's 130 on the miles. I'd go up. Jasper, Alabama. Heard of it. Don't know how far. 424. Nice little rig. Nice little rig. Great little piece for the lot, huh? Mazda 3. I actually like these. As crazy as that sounds, these actually are pretty decent little rigs. The hood is faded. Yeah, that's got to be faded. But I think there's a film. I like this. I like this. 172. It's got every light you can imagine on it. Is what it is. I'll get it cleaned up. We'll take the lights off. See what's going on there. Price is right. Whoa, wait, what's going on? Loss of communication with Ooh. Maybe I'm wrong here. Oh, transmission issue. Never mind. Abort, abort. Jeep Liberty. What's going on with this bad boy? Engine fluctuates while accelerating at idle. Spam risk. I got a spam risk. You guys want to listen? Hello? Yeah, that's what I thought. All right. Let's see. Belton, Missouri. While accelerating at idle. They're not really that good at cars. I could see that going all kinds of ways. Dodge Dakota, it's truck country in Arkansas. I mean, it's truck season every season. AC heater does not work. It's about to be cold, hot outside, so body looks good. That front bumper's messed up. We're fine there. Need that other side piece like that. Little side piece. Rusted. Front looks great. Inside's not bad. I've got the ultimate detail guy, so anything's possible over here at Carson or BB after we get done with it. No codes? Okay, it's rusted. That is not what I want to see. 524 away. I don't want to deal with rust. Let's see, 98 Civic. 2012 Civic with 98K miles. A Saturn Aurora. It's a green light? That's surprising. I figured that thing be beat up. Oh, not this Camry. I didn't mean to do that. I meant to hit this. 3700 green light. These are really, really good. Menor, Texas. There's a lot of cars coming out of this dealership, I guess it is. Yeah, it's probably the same dealership ACB goes to. Faded? Is that faded? Oh, yeah. We're not going down that route. Not again, Jose. Oh, this is what made me want to film the video. I was like, what is going on? This bad mamma jamma right here, I think. I didn't see it, but I saw the notification for it. Trucks, I'm telling you. You guys are like, why would you buy that old truck? Probably. Some of these viewers, in LA, all the high-class stuff. But this is what they want out here. And, it doesn't matter if I think it's dumb. It's what they want, so. It's over 200,000 miles, so it's going to have a red light regardless. Internal engine noise. Please don't be major. Hopefully like a pulley. Let's hear it. That's not bad. I love that. Beautiful. Beautiful car. This, if I can get this for, I can detail it. I could have David put a new coat of clear on the hood. Is it low on oil? It's probably why there's an engine noise. Look, you can't even see it, really, unless that's it. I don't know. I feel like it's usually there's more on the dipstick. We've got a customer for our Arizona lot. Let me answer this real quick. Karsten and Morado, how may I help you? Yeah, so I'm actually at our Arkansas location. I can send you my business partner's number. He is there at that car lot, and he can tell you more about it. Yeah, let me text you his number. Okay, I'll send it right now. Thank you. Bye. Sales that pay the bill. Sales for the whales. Let me text this guy this number. 1 second. Yeah, but that is a good vehicle right now. Boom, texted the number. All uphill from there. That car sold for $39.50. Imagine getting this for the lot. Yeah, this is what we do every single day. We're just searching, scanning the markets, scanning the markets. Looking, always on the lookout. Boom, boom, boom. Trucks are crazy right now. Crazy. This is an old car. It's green light. Makes sense. It's a Toyota. As dumb as that car looks, that thing will probably outlast my 2010 truck. Chevy Malibu. Malibu LTZ, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. It's a green light? There's got to be something majorly wrong. It started at such a low number, $600. That means they have nothing in it. They usually start like 2,000 less than they have, so they probably want 26 or maybe even 2. Can be cleaned up easy. Leather, 181, high but perfect. Jesus, dang, they haven't changed the oil in a million miles. We'll have to change the oil for sure. Malibu. Alrighty, alrighty. Dang, we got some codes out the wazoo, huh? I mean, this is sellable. As crazy as that sounds, LTZ 2012 model. I'd have to put probably $400 in repair cost and full detail, and then get it back to running and gunning shape. But let's see how the motor sounds. Coolant level's low. Not good. Oil change too. I mean, that's sellable. That's all day long. 1,200 down, bad credit, boom. Get in it. Let's go. Finance all day long, and we'll be the bank. Yeah, that is really just it. I want to take time to film another video. I've got a little bit of free time. There's a window right here. So I just got to make sure no one's coming in. But I'm going to get off here. And yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like that, comment down below. Is this entertaining, or are you learning anything? Or am I just rambling, posting videos for no reason? Let me know. It's very easy to do. If you guys want me to film a video about a certain car, I can do that. As you know, if I find it going through the auction, I'll click record, tell you my thoughts on maybe like a Chevy Equinox or whatever it is. And I've been dealing with this stuff for since I was 15. I'm 25 now, so 10 years, and we have 2 locations in 2 different states, and I've been buying and reselling my whole life. I mean, that's how I've made money my whole life. So I know quite a bit about it. Act goofy, but I know a lot about it. I'm just being dumb. But thank you guys so much for watching. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Comment down below. Did you guys see any golden nuggets in this video? Did you not? Should I follow these 2 last cars and ride them out and try and win the bid, I guess you'd say. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.